Hi everybody, welcome back. If you are new here, you know the deal. Hit the subscribe and notification button so I can make sure you are informed every time I upload a video. Sorry, I'm not looking at you because I'm mucking with this palette. Alright, so we have this new L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Fruit Scented Eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. I got it off of Amazon. I have not seen it in store anywhere. This is what it looks like inside. No mirror. It's 12 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. And the rest are shimmer shades. So we are just going to jump right into this palette and start doing some looks on our eyes. So we're going to zoom in. I am super excited today because I am a creator. James Cox is running a marathon. See this color right here? This light color? We're going to just put that down on our eyes and see if that will help blend this all out. Of course, my face is already prepped. And all of the above. My foundation and everything is on. We are just focusing on our eyes today. Alright, I am going to go into this color right here, and none of them have names on the back, so we're just going to say this and that and this and that. It's going to be a transition shade. Let's see. I don't know, guys. We'll see. It's pretty light. Alright, so we're going to go into this darker shade right next to it and then try and darken that up some. It is awfully powdery, as I'm sure you can see the powder flying everywhere. Yeah, so please go support James and Bern and Brad and all of these guys, the family show, all these people on this channel, just doing it, just trying to make it better for all of the people that are not getting noticed because your feed comes up with people that have 20,000 subscribers and there's good content out there. For small channels, there's great content. So, I don't know about that. I don't know about this. This is not turning out to be. This is not what I thought this was. Okay. So, I'm going to go in with this dark shade right here. It's like a brown. Like a mocha-y brown. Kind of darken it up some more, just adding some dimension. Okay, let's try some of these Simma shades. Simma, as in Simma. So we're going to use this color right here. It's almost like a brownish bronzy color. And it is pretty dang soft. Oh yes. I don't think we need any spray, but we're going to do it anyways. We're going to spray our brush. Gosh, I'm stoked about I'm a creator today. They are just killing it today. Killing it. Alright, we're going to wetten that brush some. We're going in to that shade. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that chocolate looks beautiful, beautiful. We do have some fallout. Don't you like how I like cover up my whole face? I do it all the time. Every time I edit a video, I'm like, I'm not going to do that next time. And then I do it again. I just can't help myself. I just do it, and I do it, and I do it. Wipe that off a bit, because we're going to go into a lighter shade. We're going to spray this up again. Not me. Spray that. Okay. What shall we do? I think we're going to go into this very light shade right here. Or maybe we'll go into this one. Yeah, let's go into that one. I don't smell anything. Stick your face in your palette. Do you smell anything? I don't smell it. That's a very beautiful color there. It's very beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, I'm just kind of rubbing it on with my wet brush. I'm going to have to go back into that crease. My crease is not kicking it right now. I'm going to have to darken that up some. We'll pull it all the way forward. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I'm going to go into that light color that I almost went into a minute ago, and I'm going to go into... Oh, don't press too hard, or that happens. Damn it. Darn it. If I talked like I talk in person on this channel, it would be rated R. Because, like a sailor, I talk like a sailor. Oh, that is nice. I tore the shit out of it, but it's nice. Alright, we're going to go into this light brown and just go under our eyes a little bit. We're not going to do it full. We're just going to do a little bit. I'm sorry. You're like, gosh darn it, she just gets underneath that thing. So the viewfinder project I talked about in a previous video did not work out. Alright, guys. We're going to put some mascara on, and then we're going to talk about this palette. I think I paid $11 for the palette. Buy a Morphe palette. Buy one of the new Morphe palettes that's coming out. Okay. Put a little bit of lip gloss on, or lipstick on again. This is back into my nude mini Marc Jacobs. This is one of the sheer nudes, and it is called a role play. Number 110, role play. Okay. That didn't take us very long, did it? No. Nor was I very impressed. So let's show you first. So this is how the look came out. It's nice. It's pretty. But you can get that look with about 10 palettes that are in, well, maybe not in your drawer, but in mine. There's so many other palettes that just do what this does and does it better. I got it. If this is what you can afford, this is what you can afford. Morphe does have some palettes that are like $15 palettes that have some colors like this. The Warrior palette from Juvia's Place, it's twice the price, but it's 10 times better. You know, the regular Tarte palette, I think it might be the Tarte Lip Bloom. I can't remember. But that's a good palette. There's just so much out there. This is not bad. It's fine. But it's not great either. Okay? So save yourself $11 and use that money somewhere else and buy a better palette. So, yeah. I don't know that I'll ever use this palette again. Maybe I'd travel with it only because I don't care if it gets tore up. I don't know. Sorry, L'Oreal. That's my honest opinion. You guys know that I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you what I think. And that's just, it's not where I would spend my money. I'm glad that I could get my hands on it and give you guys a review, an honest review. The shadows are not bad. Okay? They just are not as good as they could be, nor are they as good as some of the ones I mentioned. Alright, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we will be back to do some filming, because we have to do Throwback Thursday. Oh, am I still filming? Just kidding. Alright. I love you all so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.